Let me show you how to create this text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Press Ctrl-J to make a copy. Go to Filter, Blur, choose Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 10 and then press OK. Go to File and press Save As. Let's name it Blur and then press Save. The Gaussian blur layer is not needed anymore, so let's delete it. Now choose the Type tool. Write your paragraph. Change the text color to black. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Distort, choose Displace. Set the horizontal and vertical scale to 20 and press OK. Choose the blur file that we have saved and press Open. Put the image layer on top. Right-click on top layer and choose Create a Clipping Mask. Choose the image layer. Now go to Adjustment layer and choose Solid Color. Pick the black color. Put this layer in the back. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also check out other tutorials in my channel. Thank you for your support.